a number of houses in several parts of the island have been damaged by strong winds last night. Around 25 houses in the Bibila and Mathagama Divisional Secretariat areas were damaged by strong winds accompanied by rain. Our correspondent noted that 10 houses had been severely damaged. The Kalulwela, Kotaboa, Aratumula villages have been the most affected areas. The electricity supply has also been disrupted in the area from last night as trees had fallen over electric cables. Meanwhile, a number of areas in the Siamala Divisional Secretariat area were also damaged by strong winds. The Monrogala District Disaster Management Centre said that around 60 houses had been damaged. Our correspondent added that the Mahakalugolla, Bibileaya, Dahaname Kanua, Namalua and Butkam areas were also affected. Meanwhile, several houses in the Damana area in Ampara were also damaged by strong winds. The most affected areas were the Devalahinda, Pallamoya and Vaninagala villages. Our correspondent in the area noted that trees had fallen onto many houses and the power supply was also disrupted. The Lahugala, Mahakalugolla, Hulanuge areas in the Ampara district were also affected by strong winds. Our correspondent said that around 15 houses had been damaged. The Lahugala Divisional Secretariat said that steps are being taken to provide compensation to repair the damaged houses.